I got some. Push him to the side, told him I got a mastermind. And I see the green, know you niggas really colorblind. I don't mind, don't call my phone anything about dollar signs. I don't mind, used to call you brother, but you cross the line. I don't mind, how you say you go there on the sideline. I don't mind, gotta get these haters off my timeline. Jump into the gang and you know shit is serious. I'ma talk that shit while these niggas get furious. I'm curious, I feel like these niggas on their period. Look serious, you know I make these bitches feel delirious. You hearing this? Get it right back. If she taking dick, yeah, she don't fight back. Shorty know K1B is like that. She addicted to me, yeah, like crack. Yeah, who you talking to? Yeah, these niggas want static like they Pikachu. If you think it's a game, you gon' miss into. And when I'm off the pack, it's Gorilla Glue. I was wrapped on the hood, couldn't even make my mind. And the label calling me, asking if I got some. Push him to the side, told him I got a mastermind. And I see the green, know you niggas really colorblind. I don't mind, don't call my phone anything about dollar signs. I don't mind, used to call you brother, but you cross the line. I don't mind, how you say you go there on the sideline. I don't mind, gotta get these haters off my timeline.
Trapped in the cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too. Just follow my moves. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, my family home for the holidays. I'm in the studio cooking up music, cause I know I never got time to waste. This is a decision I gotta make. Made it here, I can't stop now. Had to make what I got now. This the life I chose, seen the highs and lows. I've been getting what I want now. Middle finger to the middleman. Fuck what you posting on Instagram. Never been part of the fake shit. Everyone rapping, I swear that I hate it. Yeah, all of them wanna be famous. Give them a week and they fading. You buying a chain, I'm buying a crib, cause we not the same. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance.